Good morning, guys. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Life. Today we're going to be talking yet again about Electroneum and what it is doing in the crypto space. We're going to start off today by looking at the price. We're about 3% down from yesterday. The last couple days have been insane. If you guys can see right here, the it went from 8 cents all the way up to, I believe it went up to 22 cents was the all-time high, and then we had a nice pullback. We're about over the last couple days, we're actually about almost a 50% pullback, and then we got, I believe it was like 30 or 35% pullback if I saw it correctly a couple hours ago. We're at down to like 14 cents, and now we've jumped right back up to 16 cents, and I think this is going to be the shoot up. Excuse me. I believe this is going to be the shoot up past 20 cents and into the 25 to 30 cents mark. If you guys have not already gone and subscribed to the YouTube channel, please go and do so. We're gonna take a quick peek at like what is going on here. So if you guys have not gone and subscribed, go and subscribe. I am going to be doing another giveaway in like 2 or 3 days, and we're giving away 50 Electroneum to one lucky commenter. So if you guys go over to the video that will be posted, I believe tomorrow, I am going to be giving away another 50 Electroneum. If you guys want to win that, all you have to do is leave your wallet address and a comment in the description, as well as like and subscribe to the channel. And if you don't do that, you don't get it. Let's see. So going into what is happening with Electroneum, they posted this an hour ago, and I wanted to read this to you guys. So this is called Forward Thinking and what is coming next in Electroneum's cycle and what they are working on later. Okay, so this says, everything would be working perfectly if it wasn't for our own success, so we first must focus on a robust and reliability across all platforms before we can expand, as we do not want long-term problems like many cryptocurrencies are expecting. They don't want to roll out like a big minor or big update on their app or do anything unless all the problems with Electroneum are solved. With the unparalleled success in commercialization and user demands, it is very important to build foundations from which we leap to substantial growth. So for right now, what they're working on is fixing the issues with the transactions, building a further scale, developing foundations, expanding their team, mobile mining beta, and the negotiation. They're trying to launch another exchange program. That's what they're trying to do. So that's what they're doing right now. And what this means is that they're developing foundations with other companies to get, I believe what they're trying to do is that they're trying to get Electroneum on like Amazon and some other mobile apps and stuff to start using that as an actual payment method. They're expanding their team so they can do this. The mobile mining is still in beta. It's only on Android, I believe. And I have not personally gotten the email to do the mobile miner on the Android that I do have in my household. And then they're going to try to get onto another another exchange, I believe. For the short term, obviously building on the foundations that they've already made. They're going to be launching with the commercial partners that they're already engaged with, which means that commercial partners means that they're actually already in the talks and the works to get Electroneum on it as a payment thing. Builder commercial partnerships, further commercial. I can't talk this morning. What is this? So this is what we were talking about the other day on the video about Electroneum with the big update, and if you guys have not gone and seen this video, go and check it out. I will link it in the description down below, and it will be up top as well. They're going to be coming up with more telecommunication partnerships, rolling out the mobile mining. This is what they want to do, I believe, by the end of January, because we're only on the 8th day of January, so we got 3 weeks to go. And then they want to, obviously, as I said before, want to get on to more than just CryptoPiya. Like, they have BitHub, and they want to, I believe, on Yobit too. And then for the midterm of mass adoption of the coin as a payment method, this is like the big thing. This is the thing that's going to push Electroneum into the stratosphere. And then extensive viral growth campaign. So they're going to be, I believe what this means right here is that they're going to post a video on YouTube about Electroneum, and it's going to blow up. This price at like 16 cents is nothing compared to what it's going to be. Try to move this decimal point over 4 spaces. It will probably be in the $1,600 to $2,000 range at some point in the near future. Trust me on that. I swear to God, it will. I know. And, you know, we're still having this correction. If you notice, if I just upgraded 5.7, and we go over to the 7-day, let's see, even the 1 day. So we, like the other day, we were at 18 cents. And we've just kind of trickled down, crossed over the yellow line, and then we're under the yellow line again. So I believe that once this kind of settles out for maybe like another 2 or 3 days, like this is very steady overall for like the 7-day chart. Like the day chart has gone down quite a bit, but over the last 7 days we've actually kind of stayed you know, in that anywhere between like 14 to 20 cent range, which is really good, and that's kind of where I expected it to be after this huge run up. Now if you guys I am going to be making a video about CryptoPiya in a couple of days. We're gonna go and check out their website. I gotta log in. That's okay. So CryptoPiya is the exchange. They have a bunch of different coins, specifically, especially Electroneum. The volume for the last day is just under $1,000. Just quickly looking at the charts. Order book. So this is what we're doing. So that there is currently more sell. Let's see. I believe this is more sell orders than buy orders, which is completely okay. There is a lot of buy orders though. I think there's a lot more buy orders than sell orders. But if this thing gets onto, like, say Steam or Amazon or something like that, talking into this like exchange and mass adoption, this thing is going to go up into the stratosphere. Like, I promise you guys that. But that is more or less kind of all I got to talk about today. I am going to be doing another Electroneum giveaway in the next few days, so I'm going to be talking to you guys more about that tomorrow. So if you guys have not already hit the subscribe button, please go and hit the subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate everything that you do, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye!